Oh my god, after hours of dealing with this freaking door and the fact that I wanted to shoot somebody in the process, I finally got it fixed. Oh my god, no more pulling this freaking thing. And my door panel's in the shed way over there. So the problem was I ordered another one of these. This is the old one. And let's see if it'll focus. Jesus. The thing right here broke. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, well, that broke right there, and it's supposed to be like a full C. It's supposed to come out to like right here. And it didn't. So, I finally got it up there. Had to take like all those these metal rods out. Oh my god. Finally have a freaking door handle. What I was doing was, I was having to open, got the umbrella here. I had to open this door, the back door, reach my arm through the thing here, and pull this to freaking open the driver door to go to work and stuff. Okay, we're good to go. Now I'm locked out. Just kidding.